Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can add PayPal payments to Shopify. Now keep in mind that this will be different for each country, but I'm going to be showing you guys how you can enable PayPal on any Shopify regardless of on where you live. Now as you can see, this is my PayPal account. I am going to add my PayPal to Shopify so that they can start receiving payments into my Shopify. Now, as you can see, this is the new store I just created for this video. And what you need to do, guys, to add PayPal to Shopify, you just need to click on settings at the very bottom left. And after that, guys, you want to click on payments. Okay, as you can see here, click on payments. As you can see, by default, I have PayPal here, but this depends on your country. Like I said, there are some countries by default you will find something like Stripe or other supported like other payment methods now, or different providers. Now for me, by default, I can see here PayPal, but what if you don't see here PayPal? But yeah, by the way, if you can see here PayPal, what you just need to click on activate PayPal, okay? And you need to click on activate, and it will take you directly, guys, to your PayPal. Enter the information, and then that's it. Okay, that's it. Now what if you don't see here PayPal provider? You just need to try to find it. For example, you can either click on add payment method, and you want to search by provider, second option, and you want to search for PayPal. Okay, now, if you can't find here PayPal, it says here no results found. You can search, for example, by payment method and see if other providers accept, like if there are providers that are available in your country that will accept PayPal. Okay, so as you can see here, powered by PayPal. Like I said, you just need to search if there are providers that can access PayPal. But for me, like it says here, supported payment methods is PayPal, because by default I can see here PayPal. Now if you can see PayPal, if you click on add payment methods, you can always use the third-party payment providers. You can just click on choose provider, and you can find here, you can search for PayPal and see if there are third payment providers like Stripe or like provider that you know that will accept PayPal, and you can just create an account on their website, and then you can, for example, if it's Stripe, you can create an account on Stripe and then see if you can accept PayPal payments. Okay, now I'm going to just click on choose provider, and for example, if you search, for example, for Visa, okay, I'm sorry, if you search, for example, for Visa, you will find providers that accept Visa. Okay, it says here try changing the filters or search item no providers found. So it depends, like I said, on your country. If you live, for example, if you select here, for example, MasterCard, like Payoneer, check out native cards. You can either use Payoneer, or you can use Cayenne, Cyber Source, okay, Apple Pay. You can like choose different payment providers. Like I said, like PayPal is not going to be available for all countries, but if you can leave a comment below and tell me exactly your country, I will reply to you guys with a payment provider that will access PayPal. Okay, just let me know in the comments what country you live in, and I'm going to tell you guys what to do. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video. By the way, if you want to enable cash on delivery, just need to click on payments and then click on cash on delivery, so people will be able to purchase from your store without paying, and they will only pay after they receive the item. Okay, hopefully this video, guys, helped you. See you guys next video.